Hello there, my name is Caroline. Welcome to my channel, and on this amazing episode I'm going to teach you how to make an omelette with minced meat. You know something, if you ever want to make a man a compliment, make this meal for them. They will love it. If you're new to this channel, I am a home chef. I make amazing, simple dinner recipes, lunches for your kids, even simple breakfast for you. So consider subscribing, give me that like, share this video. Let's get started. So this one is another family favorite for my family, and they love this omelette. So I normally serve it with pasta or bread, or you can even serve it with rice if you're taking it for dinner. So let me show you my ingredients first. Okay, so for ingredients for omelette with beef mince, what I do is I always have some fresh vegetables. What I do is my vegetables, I make sure I really wash them. So make sure they're really washed clean. So I will put one red bell pepper, one yellow red bell pepper, and one tomato, and then 2 onions. We're gonna have half a kg of minced meat, some salt, 2 tablespoons of oil. Of course, for to taste, I always love to use garlic and some black pepper for my spices. For the omelette, I normally prefer to use butter, so 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter, and then 4 eggs. And then that's it. A very simple meal that you will enjoy with simple ingredients. So guys, this dish in particular is so delicious. What I love about it is so filling and so simple to make. So the first thing we're going to do is chop our onions. Our vegetables. What I like to do is I put my beef mince in a pot, and then I let it cook on its own until it dries up on very low heat. Yes. So as that is cooking, we continue chopping our veggies. So we go to I love cutting my red pepper like this. I cut both sides like this. Once I've cut both sides, I remove the inside like this. You can go around like this, remove it. After that, I split it and I cut it into cubes. Now if you like, you can actually cut it into strips too, but I prefer having little cubes. Like that. It's very easy. Look at that. So I normally like small pieces. I normally cut very small strips. So I have really small cubes. Cut. Part in the middle, just cut round like this. You go round like this and come out. Ooh, look at that! Amazing! Look, yeah. going to add our onions, and then we're going to cook them until they're soft or translucent. Next, we're going to add the chopped bell peppers. So next, we'll put our tomatoes. Let it cook for a minute. So our beef meat, right now it's dry, you can see. Oh, look at that. Amazing dry. Look at that. Amazing. The easiest dish to prepare and it's so yummy. So we are going to add our beef mince here and cook for around 5 minutes. Season to taste. With some salt. Some black pepper. And some garlic. I always love garlic in my food. Gives it that taste. So yummy. So cook this for around 4 to 5 minutes, and we'll remove it and set it aside. So we start on our eggs. So what you do, you let it cook for 5 minutes so that the mincemeat can become more brown, more tastier. We let that cook for 5 minutes. So as we work on our egg, so I'm ready to make my omelette. What I do is I start by cracking my eggs. I normally use a spoon. I don't know what you normally use, but I prefer a spoon. So I crack them up. If you're afraid, you can crack your egg separately and then you put it in a bowl to avoid maybe one egg is not good, so you don't spoil the whole lot. So you can do that. You break one by one and then you put them there. So this meal is for 2 people. If you have a large crowd, you can actually double the number of ingredients I've used. So what I do is add a bit of salt to the eggs, and of course some black pepper. Then I whisk the eggs. So I put them aside. So put this in a bowl. Oh, it smells amazing. He will love it. He will enjoy this simple dinner or lunch. He will love it, or breakfast. Look at that. Amazing. It's so simple to make with simple ingredients. Look at that. Yummy. Guess what? Our meal is almost ready. So what I love to do with my omelette, I love to use butter. So this is 2 tablespoons of butter for my eggs, because it normally gives it that sweet taste. So we'll heat our pan, and then we'll put our butter inside. Make sure your pan is hot. Then you will just pour a third of the beaten egg on the pan, and then let it cook on low. So we're gonna put a third of that and let it cook on low. Until the egg starts to form, on itself. Oh, look at that, amazing. So look at our beef mince. Our meal is almost ready. So what you do is you just cook a bit of your beef mince like this, and then you place it on one side of the egg like this, really nicely, like that. Nicely, like that. And then what you do is you just turn this like that on your egg, like that, and your meal is ready. You fold the other half to cover the side of the ground meat like that. Look at that, it looks amazing. So you do that you follow these steps until your beef mince is ready and your egg is ready. So, on one side, put your ground beef. Amazing. So guys, finally our meal is ready. Look at this, it looks amazing. So what I've done is I love to put a bit of avocado, because avocado is big in this family. They enjoy this meal, but remember you can serve this with rice or bread. Yes, it's very good for breakfast too. I'm going to have a taste. So, oh my god, look at this. A bit of some eggs, some beef mince in the middle. Look at this. This meal is so delicious. I love it. The combination is so fantastic. You will love it. Try it at home. Surprise him. Food is so delicious. I love it. Look at this. The beef mince, the egg, how it comes together, and the taste just burst in your mouth. Try this recipe. Let me know how it turned out. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, my loyal subscribers, for that is amazing. I'm so happy. This is our road to 10,000 subscribers. So anyway, remember, this is a place where I give you the most simple home recipes, simple, easy, yet so delicious. So remember to give me that like, share this video, leave a comment, and let's keep going. Yes, so that's it from me, guys. See you. Bye.